In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality K1 Max 3D Printer. The K1 Speedy 3D printer by Creality utilizes fused deposition modeling (FDM) technology to deliver a remarkable printing experience with a range of advanced features. It boasts impressive specifications including a maximum build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm for the standard model and 300 by 300 by 300 mm for the K1 Max version, alongside a maximum printing speed of 600 mm per second. The printer supports various filaments such as PLA, ABS, and PETG, with a precision of 100 plus or minus 0.1 mm and a layer height range of 0.1 to 0.35 mm. Notable features include dual hands-free auto leveling, a flexible build plate, and a user-friendly 4.3-inch color touchscreen. It also supports multiple file formats including STL and OBJ, and integrates with common slicing software like Creality Print and Cura. The printer is equipped with essential safety features such as a filament runout sensor and power loss recovery, making it a reliable choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Approved with CE certification, it operates on an international standard power supply, making it versatile for users worldwide. Number 2. FYSETC Voren R2 Pro Printer. The FYSETC Voron 2.4 R2 Pro Core XY 3D printer is an upgraded high-quality 3D printer kit, featuring advanced components such as a CNC tap hollow rail and SB extruder designed for precision and efficiency. With a slicing thickness range of 0.05 to 0.3 mm and capable of printing speeds from 20 to 300 mm per second, this printer supports a variety of materials including PLA, ABS, PETG, and PLACF. It operates on multiple platforms, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, with a maximum print size of 350 by 350 by 350 mm. The kit comes with essential consumables and has features like auto leveling and a maximum nozzle temperature of 300 degrees Celsius. Notable upgrades in the March 2024 version include an HDMI 5 touchscreen, a sailfish hot end, and a 1000W silicone heated bed, among others. Users should note that while they can choose a full kit, they will need to print certain parts themselves. For additional support, a dedicated forum and documentation are available online. Number 3. Anycubic Photon Monom M7 Pro. The Bluesail Photon Monom M7 Pro is a high-performance LCD 3D printer designed for precision printing with a maximum resolution of 14K, 13320x5120, and an impressive speed of up to 220 mm per hour with specialized resins. It supports a maximum print size of 223 by 126 by 230 mm and features auto leveling for ease of use. The printer operates within a voltage range of 110-220V and connects via USB. It utilizes advanced Light Turbo 3.0 light source technology, including COB and Fresnel lens components, ensuring efficiently detailed prints. Certified by CE and engineered for compatibility with both high-speed 2.0 resin and standard resin, it offers versatility in layer thickness from 0.1 mm to 0.2 mm depending on material, making it a suitable choice for users who prioritize speed and quality in their 3D printing projects. Number 4. Anycubic Photon Monom M5S Printer. The Creality 3D printer is a high-precision machine designed for various industries, including garment shops, building materials, home use, printing shops, and construction works. It operates using advanced molding technology and an LCD display, with a voltage range of 110-220V, and holds CE certification for safety and reliability. With a compact printing volume of 200 by 218 by 123 mm and overall machine dimensions of 290 by 270 by 460 mm, it offers versatility for various applications. The product includes a 1-year warranty, ensuring customer satisfaction and support. This innovative printer is ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike, providing excellent quality and efficiency in 3D printing projects. Number 5. Anycubic Photon D2 3D Printer. The consumer DLP 3D printer by Creality features advanced digital light processing technology that utilizes thousands of tiny mirrors to project light directly onto a resin vat, achieving exceptional precision with a resolution of 10 mm and a light uniformity exceeding 92%. This innovative design, enhanced by double algorithms for improved anti-aliasing, enables intricate details in miniatures. With a remarkable lifespan of up to 20,000 hours and reduced maintenance costs compared to conventional LCD printers, this DLP printer offers a larger printing volume of 130.56 mm x 73.44 mm x 165 mm, a 62% increase over previous models. Moreover, it operates quietly at just 35 decibels without the need for a cooling fan, while consuming only 15 W of power, significantly less than LCD alternatives. The printer also features a laser-carved metal build plate that enhances adhesion, ultimately improving the success rate of prints. With CE certification and a 1-year warranty, this device is designed for users seeking a reliable and efficient 3D printing solution.